Hi everybody, I'm Sbmitch.
And I'm Seth Fowler.
And this is
The
Burger
Burger
Box. Hey gang, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video that really has a huge impact on the world.
It does.
As I said in the intro, I'm Sbmitch.
I'm Seth Fowler.
Welcome to the video. We're doing a special beater box from Supremacy. I'm gonna be blindfolded, so this could be really bad or really good. Probably really bad. I mean, this is Seth Fowler. You guys probably, if you know anything about sneakers, he has a really great channel. What do you do on your channel, Seth?
Just talk sneakers, reviews, vlogs, design.
Pretty cool. Basically the exact opposite of what I do. And here's the kicker, he does it really well.
No. Not really well.
Loyal pals of the channel will know that I like to do this really poorly. This is a beater box from Supremacy, like I said. If you're watching this video, you already know what it is, but this box is a big old mystery box of shoes in various sizes and conditions that are priced under market that you can flip for retail. Wait, flip for profit, I mean. Professional. Welcome to the Sbmitch channel. This box here was $625 plus $40 to ship it here to
Philadelphia.
Pennsylvania for a grand total of $665. This is a special beater box. This is gonna be my last beater box in the city of Philadelphia. Why not ring out my stay in Philadelphia with the gem of Philadelphia? So, here's what's happening. Pancake's here too. She's kind of just hanging out. She's excited somebody besides me and my girlfriend are here. So I'm gonna be putting on this blindfold. Seth is gonna be opening the box, pulling sneakers out. Not really saying what they are. I'm gonna try and guess based on feel, which is kind of gross now that I think about it because I'm gonna be feeling shoes. But hey, you know,
shoes.
Why not make it awkward? That's kind of my brand, so. You guys can tell I'm wearing a Cleveland Browns scarf.
Hey, suck. Ravens.
I didn't hear anything just now, did you? All right, Seth, do the honors, open the box. I literally can't see anything. It's because this is so tight that it's pushing my eyelids down that I can't see anything.
Ah! Just cut myself.
Did you really? No. Don't do that. I can't see anything. I'm not insured!
I've never opened a beater box myself. We did the one on my channel, but I didn't actually get to see first. How do I close it? You know what? I'm just gonna put it over here. Oh, okay. Okay, there's one loose pair.
Okay.
There's one loosey.
Stone cold
Kicks. Stone Cold Kicks. This is a size 6.5 US.
The sole feels like an Air Max 1. Yeah, this is an Air Max 1.
Close.
Wait, really?
You're close.
Nope, it's an Air Max 90.
Yes.
I don't know if I want to take off. Yeah, this is an Air... Oh, this is the ATMOS Tiger Camo Air Max 90. I actually really love this
Solid
pair.
one. I don't know what's happening with that light.
The spirits are alive in this house.
Wait, you've got laces and a tag too.
So these might actually be either tried on or dead stock, but it's a really small
Oh, they still
size.
got the little nipples on them too.
Yeah, these are in really good shape. This is an Air Max 90, as I said. Tiger Camo ATMOS Japan collaboration. I love this shoe. I just realized I can see what's in the box, but I only see at the top of the box. So there's the first shoe out, size what, 6 youth? 6.5 youth. Tiger Camo Air Max 90. Value on these is probably between 150 to 200.
They're nice. I like them. Look sweet.
Back to not being able to see anything.
Where do you want me to put these ones?
Just set them down wherever. Cool. Don't knock over my wine.
Okay, so do you have a preference? Okay, I'm gonna say Nike or Adidas.
Grab the Adidas first.
Adidas? Okay. This is a size 11.
Ooh.
Oh, it's the first colorway that dropped in this particular shoe.
Oh, it's the Boosty Wear?
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Is this just the core black one?
Just the core black one.
Cool.
Yeah. It's like lightly worn. It's not
Yeah.
bad.
I had a size 12 of these that were
Still got the tags in there too.
went out to Hawaii, but yeah, this is
Nice.
this is actually a pretty okay pair. I mean, they'll probably go for cheap.
They're comfy. I had a pair that I sold on my website for $90.
Oh,
But
wow.
I was trying to move them quick.
That sounds about what the market is on these, especially these. These are just super lightly worn. Oh yeah, I don't have autofocus on. These are super lightly worn, so probably get a couple bucks out of these. So again, size 11, crazy boost you wear, core black.
Crazy. Okay, Nike or Adidas?
More Adidas.
Ooh, or Under Armour.
Oh, get that Under Armour out of the
Okay.
way.
Or Converse.
Get the Under Armour out.
Okay. Okay, so this is a size 15 Under Armour. Okay, well it's not Does look dead stock.
I've never gotten a used pair of Under Armours in a box before, so
well,
it's always a Curry anyway. So
you are right about that, and it's a size 15.
It's a Curry 3.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was a pure lucky guess. This is I think this is more dubs.
This
Curry 3s.
like that, yeah.
Oh, this might be a replacement box.
Oh, okay.
If anyone needs an Under Armour boat, here you go.
The only Under Armour Curry shoe that I ever reviewed actually was the Curry 3.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's weird. Don't know what to say about these. They are dead stock. Well, yeah, this is a replacement box, so it's not the original box. Size 15, Curry 3.
They are.
Everything's dying now that I'm moving.
Okay, so Converse or Adidas?
Adidas. 3 Adidas shoes in one. Oh, is it a good Adidas though?
Let's see.
Is it something that should be held for the end?
Not really. No, I think
Okay.
it's pretty. If it. No, yeah, it's not. It's a blue box Adidas. Here you go. It's a size 10.
Another POWERPHASE.
Yeah.
Size 10 POWERPHASE.
Well, guess the color.
Is it core black?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
I already have a size 10 core black YEEZY POWERPHASE. These are worn too.
Yeah. This one's got some stuff on the bottom, but.
These are really easy to clean. That is the one thing I will say. Clean with Rejuvenator.
Hit 'em up.
The one thing that really surprised me about this shoe, I probably look like a crazy person with this thing on, is the leather is so soft.
It is very soft.
I was surprised. That's so weird. Did it just die?
I don't know what sounds like it.
So we're down a light, but that's okay. We continue on.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this Converse out of. Ooh, okay. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait in the next boxes. Okay, so this is. I've never heard of this before. Okay, this is a men's size 8. I've never even seen this one before either, actually.
Is it
Oh,
Converse?
wait. Okay, it's better than I thought. Yes, it is a Converse. It's a men's size 8. It's lightly worn.
Feels like an all-star one, sir. It's an all-star?
It looks like it.
Velcro, huh?
I've never seen this before. Oh, it is an all. It says all-star on the back. Of course, it's an all-star. But it's like it's a variant of an all-star.
I have no idea. I
Yeah.
can't see what it is.
But it is an undefeated collab.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's got that very, very typical orange and green, usually on undefeated collabs. It's got this like Velcro details on it.
It's called the POORMAN Weapon High.
Interesting.
Better than I thought, honestly.
Oh, I'm like looking for this thing. Cool. So we got some technical difficulties. That's cool. Let's keep going.
Let's keep going. Okay, so this next one is one of my favorite shoes. Actually, in my size. Interesting.
Which is 9. That is Seth's size.
Which is 9, yes. Okay, so this is the first colorway, or one of the first colorways of this shoe to come out. It is lightly worn.
It's a VAPORMAX.
Yes, it is.
I thought you don't like the VAPORMAX.
I don't. I was making a joke about it.
Oh, word.
It is the pure platinum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I actually know this pair. It's like a grayish type thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think that would go for?
In a size 9, a little
Yeah.
bit worn. But
I actually had the triple black colorway in a size 14 that I picked up from the Nike store, and I sold it for $3.50. Yeah, nuts.
clean colorway, not gonna lie. And this is the
bad.
right time of year to get them because I don't know if you guys pay attention to calendars, but summer is right around the corner.
If you want to gain a couple inches, good way to go.
Right? Feels like you're walking on a almost deflated air mattress.
It does. Okay, there's 2 boxes left.
Cool.
This is one that, like I said, I've never seen before. It is a size 10.5. Okay, the box is being a pain in the ass to open. Oh, it comes with a brush. That's just trying to be really careful with this box. But okay, I'm just gonna pull them out. The material's nice on them. Size 10.5, lightly worn.
With a brush.
I know, with a brush passing over Mr. Mitch.
Oh, this is an Air Jordan 18.
That's correct. Production dates are 02.
Oh, so this is really old.
2002, yeah. And the suede on this is really, really nice. It's like really long pile suede too.
I have no idea. Black Sport Royal. This might be Sport Royal 18s. Interesting. Older shoe, somewhere.
Over the rainbow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. 10.5. Jordan 18. Sport Royal.
Nice.
This box is actually pretty good.
Yeah,
Good
it's not
variety.
bad.
A lot of stuff that'll be easy to move because it's like kind of tame colorways, I guess you could say.
Okay, so last box. I think I already know what it is based on the box itself. Do I? Yes, I do. Okay, so this is a size 10. It is another Jordan. Is it worn? Lightly. Lightly.
It's good timing, Pancake.
You'll know what it is.
It's an 11.
Mm-hmm. Will be the easiest to sell.
It says 45 in the back.
Yeah, it does.
Space Jam.
No.
What?
The other one.
Is it one of the win likes?
No.
Why am I blanking?
I don't know. It's the most recent one.
Oh, Concords?
Yeah.
Really? Someone already gave up their Concords? Are you kidding me? Yeah. Why would you sell your Concords so quickly?
I don't know. It's a nice looking shoe. I love the Concords. I had 2 pairs. I wish I hadn't sold the first pair. But
Dang, these are really, I mean, a little bit of creasing right there. Not much wear on the bottoms.
very lightly worn, yeah. What do you think these would go for in this condition?
Probably around 200.
That's not bad. Well, that's everything inside the box.
Whoa.
Except for these Invisi Yeezys, which don't go for anything, unfortunately.
There's no Invisible Yeezys down there. That's not a real thing. This is a pretty standard $625 box in my opinion. So a lot of fun shoes in here.
Yeah. Not too shabby.
I'm gonna look them up right now. Well, not right now, but after the video, like long after the video is done. MC Hammer's gonna show us a breakdown right now.
You have them here?
Break it down. So I mean that's what the box looks like in terms of value. I think it's pretty good value. Pretty weird box, I guess.
It's very varied.
Very varied.
Very varied.
Very good.
You've got almost every brand. Well, not every brand, but you've got 3 out of 4 out of.
We're missing what? New Balance, Asics.
Yep, Saucony.
Hey, perfect. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Big thanks to Mr. Seth Fowler for being a good sport and hanging out. And thanks to my light for breaking. That's pretty cool. Thanks to Pancake for trying to steal all the camera time. Make sure you subscribe to Seth Fowler's channel if you don't already. Link to his channel will be in the video description below. I'm actually pointing to my knees right now. Don't touch my knees. That's kind of weird.
Knees.
Seth, thank you.
Yeah,
I
thank you so
appreciate
much for
you
having me.
coming
This is
by
the
and
best.
hanging out. And
I mean, I feel like I'm the only one that's bummed that he's moving because you're excited about it. I'm just kind of.
I'm just excited about everything.
Yeah, that's true.
I will see you soon. Seth will see you soon probably too, because this dude makes videos all the time.
All the time. Too much. Too many.
No such thing.
Too fast.
Till next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way you want to be treated because the golden rule is the best way to live.
Ah, we did it that time.
The connection! Woo!